Before you do anything, preheat the oven at 375 and wash and dry your chicken. Wash and dry. Now you sear it on both sides. Don't cook it all the way through. Bake it for an hour covered and 30 minutes uncovered. Down to the last 30 minutes, so we're going to make our rolls and cook our vegetables. Bake it. Doesn't look that appetizing. It's delicious. We just got 80-something subscribers. I need some ideas on what I should do for a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway for 100 subscribers. So what should I do? $100? $50 to 2 people, $100 to 1 person, or like something worth $100. I don't know. Give me some ideas. Get them at me.